So the Sheriff's Office has a couple of things to report today. You may remember Spencer Lile. We arrested him on August 4th for stealing a couple of windmills out in the county. And our investigators, also the day they arrested him, had found he had felony narcotics on him, so he was lodged for all of those. Well, during our investigative follow-up over the past few days, a search warrant was obtained for his electronic devices, and it revealed numerous images and videos of children believed to be under the age of 16 engaged in various sexually explicit acts. So yesterday, our investigators lodged Spencer Lile with possession of child pornography, which is a Class 2A felony, and it carries a penalty of up to 20 years in jail. Spencer Lile is a 41-year-old man. He lists an Exeter, Nebraska address, and he's still incarcerated at this time.
Have you been able to identify any victims in the photographs as local children?
We're doing more follow-up on that currently, but we believe that all of the images that he has and all of the videos were not produced locally and were probably downloaded from the internet. But we'll do more research to verify that and make sure. But right now, we don't believe any local children were involved.
What steps happen in a case like this after you get it to try and figure out where those images came from, maybe who produced them?
We work with several federal agencies and state agencies that specialize in cases of child pornography. And there are many known images of child pornography that exist on the internet that we can verify whether these are those or not. But we will also research further and find if there's any more that Mr. Lile has in his possession, and do some investigative procedures to make sure that we've covered all the bases.
What was the date of his original arrest? August 4th?
August 4th.
And he was arrested last night on these cases?
Yesterday, yes.
He stole the windmills, and then he had drugs on him too.
Yes, he was initially arrested for the 2 thefts on August 4th, and at the time of his arrest, he was in possession of a felony amount of narcotics. So he was lodged for that as well.
Was he still in custody when he was charged with this additional?
Yes, that's correct. He was in jail the whole time since then.
Did the sheriff's office have any indication that he was in possession of that before they had been at the undercover operation to get him on the windmills, or is it just something you guys happened upon?
No, it was something when we were searching his electronic devices under the search warrant that the investigators located the child pornography. And then the other case we have